Hey, I was Queen Meek and I'm back, duh. So sit back and relax as much as you can as I do this $100 worth of flower bouquet, flower money bouquet. And basically what you want to do is get you some good bamboo stick or some bamboo sticks, get you some good tape. This tape that I got from Dollar Tree sucks. So I had to double back, but you need 2 small pieces of tape per dollar bill. Yeah, so that's how it's supposed to look. So get all this started. Yeah, is that I just love the smell of money. This is how they look before. What the baby wants, the baby of the group wants, she gets, unfortunately. So here I am trying to multitask. So you want, like I said, you need 2 pieces per dollar bill. So you want to fold it over like this. I was having issues because this was the initial tape that I had, but you want to turn it like that. And of course, you only need 1 piece of tape also. But yeah, it's the tape. It was really fucking throwing me off. And if you got something to say about my moo-moo, your mama, here he is. So this is the $100 in ones. We have to get the flowers, but I finished up the bouquet and I saw a good idea. So I wanted to make something different. Because we celebrate around here. You know, we acknowledge our people around here, but yeah. So let's just say that I underestimated this process because the first time that I did something was actually with a bottle. It wasn't this here. This styrofoam from Dollar Tree sucks, okay? It really sucks. I was struggling. Then when I did the roses, I wasn't paying attention completely to other videos. So basically, I didn't take all the green leaves off, so I had to go back in, strip them, and also, of course, cut them down so they can fit in styrofoam. I ended up having to do that, take them off. It took me a little bit longer. I was rushing, trying to make it to the party. Why did I wait till the last minute? I don't know. But this is how it ended up coming. It started to look like it was okay, but this is actually the final product, and I'm actually happy. It was a little slanted, but this is my first time, so not too fucking much. Yeah, still did it. She still, was happy about it. I also ended up putting the glitter on the flowers as well. Then we did a separate bouquet with the 20s. So, yeah, and she cried, period.